Hello everyone, Meisterang here, and yeah, continuing with more Shotgun King Extra. Um, yeah, I figure I might as well try out all the shotguns on rank 15. I'll get at least like one or two decent runs, and then like I don't care too much about like winning with all the shotguns. I just want to like kind of get the idea of what the gameplay experience is like. So yeah, let's just get into it. We've already cleared out all of the non-pawn pieces. I just gotta regenerate some ammo. Actually, so now I have to decide, do I want to let some pawns promote so that I can potentially get a queen? There we go. Yeah, now I just have to survive. Can we do 3 damage? Yes. Excellent. So our accuracy is not really... Well, it's kind of... Okay, but it's 80-degree fire arc. It's not like... I don't think it's quite good enough that I can consistently hit something that's right next to me diagonally. Like, I think there's a chance that one of the pellets just, like, kind of goes off to the side in that little sliver. Anyway. Alright, one more health. There we go. Alright, what is this? All pieces -3 speed, but instead of getting 2 shells in my shotgun, I get 1. Okay. King Shoulders is like kind of funny to compare to that card that gives you unlimited King Shoulders when you're on the edge of the board. Oh, the Queen Soul is like kind of like a happy face, looks like. Interesting. Okay, whatever. Yeah, sure, let's go for it. So yeah, now everything is super slow. I don't think, like, this seems like it's going to be a really powerful card. Definitely, like, I don't think the downside of having one less shell charge is going to matter as much as this big penalty to all enemy speeds. As long as I'm careful enough that I don't just like get cornered, everything is so slow that they can't even do anything to me. Alright, let's see if we can splash some damage on that rook. We got 1. Okay, let's see if we can get rid of both of these knights. Wasn't super likely, but you see it's fine. Yeah, this card seems really powerful. And we have a Queen Soul, so I don't need to do anything special at the end of the level. We'll just kind of run around and get some ammo back and then kill this king. I don't even have to, like, worry about the king checkmating me. Okay, what do we have here? Subtle poison. Okay. So, I'm gonna get 4 knights. Kind of like as soon as I'm done killing everything else. Or just caltrops in peace. Okay. Thing is, do the knights show up quickly enough that I care? Like, okay, as soon as I kill probably about 7 pieces, 6 pieces. If I kill 6 pieces, and that means they come on turn 12, and it probably takes me about 12 turns to kill 6 pieces. So, you know, I kill 6 pieces, and then I get a bunch of knights. Or I can make pieces even slower. It seems pretty funny, and it seems... I feel like I shouldn't be so concerned about Judgment Day, but for some reason I am. So if I shoot something, it pretty much just becomes unable to play the game. So it's like, it's kind of funny. No matter where I go, I'm going to be able to be attacked by a dark squared bishop or a light squared bishop. That's alright. Losing 1 turn where I can't attack is fine. When it takes a pawn well, yeah, pawns normally move every 5 turns, so they lose 5 speed if they're injured. This pawn's not even injured, and it's like its speed bar is like going off the side of the screen. All right. So now that everything is injured, including the king, yeah, now I can just do whatever I want. Yeah. Obviously, I have to be a little mindful when pieces are actually going to move, but still. Okay, so I have how many turns? Well, I get, yeah, 9 turns, because, yeah, king, everything moves 5 turns slower if it's injured. And kings normally move every 4 turns. Okay, small fry harvest is neat, but corner despot is even better. I'm not really in the situation where I'm going to be running out of ammo a lot. And even if I do run out of ammo, oh, the king blocked the queen. Oh, we don't even have enough damage, even with corner despot, we don't have enough damage to one-shot the queen. Okay, so I need to try to get some more damage. Okay. You know, I'm just gonna move to the other side of the board. I was gonna have to use a soul card either that turn or this turn. Excellent, we get a bishop. Okay. I can't actually shoot the queen from here because... yeah, because she has too much health. Ugh, come on. You have 8 health, which is, again, too much for me to one-shot the rook. It's kind of annoying, but it's fine. The queen's going to move in 2 turns, so if I walk to the right, then I'll have to shoot to waste my turn, and then that'll be... yeah, that's obviously no good. Alright, well, now the queen's just going to approach me. Thank you. Alright. So, I was kind of expecting the level to be completely free, but... turns out, like, even with speed penalties, I have to be kind of mindful of stuff. What is this? Oh, yeah. Okay, King's Shoulders is still a pretty nice, like, insurance policy. Remove a rook. I like removing a rook. So King's Shoulders lets me just pick up a queen and toss her off the board. So I can't one-shot queens or rooks. So this removes a rook, and this kind of removes a rook or queen. And Extra Barrel improves my DPS by a lot, because I spend one less turn reloading 2 shells. Okay, still good. I don't really have the range to be taking these shots, but I'm doing it anyway. No, I gotta... anytime I can get guaranteed kills, I have to line them up and take them. But yeah, so as you see, I do not need to be worried at all about all these pawns. Okay, I'll stay on a dark square. Okay, so the queen is slower. Queen also can get one-shot if I'm on the edge of the board. Alright. And okay. Let's just get rid of this bishop and then get rid of some pawns. Just to make sure there's no way anything can possibly go wrong. Alright. I don't know why I'm regenerating so much ammo. I can just shoot the king. Ammo regen on the edge of the board is pretty cool. Replacing queens with a queen after they die is not fun. If I had king's shoulders, I could just chuck the queen off the board. It's funny. Alright. I guess this will kind of make all of my ammo problems go away. I didn't have a lot of ammo problems, but I had enough that I was having to spend turns recharging my ammo. Alright. If I... No, I'll probably lose if I don't run away. Oh, the king blocked the queen. Okay, whatever. If I go here... Is my fire arc actually good enough to take this shot? Well, we got an extra barrel, which makes our fire arc slightly worse. Oh, if I move a space down, I'm going to get attacked by the bishop next turn. Which I guess is fine. Yeah, pieces are so slow, I don't have to feel bad at all about just repositioning. Alright, let's get rid of this knight. Yeah, there we go. So like the only pieces that are really dangerous are the ones that don't die to a single shot. So any chance I can like focus down one of those, it's pretty good. Let's okay, the queen's going to move next turn. I don't think I can one-shot the queen. Yeah, I can't get a guaranteed shot when the queen is... Well, I can't get a guaranteed shot when the queen's diagonally adjacent. So I am going to have to... Okay, move out of the way and line it up. Okay, sure. Alright, let's go get that sick Ermine Belt ammo regen value. I really like what the mod creator did with Ermine Belt. It is a much more interesting card than in vanilla. It's like +3 ammo. It's like, who cares? Okay, well let's... Okay, Red Book plus Eagle Eye. I mean, Eagle Eye is good with my Ermine Belt Corner Despot build. But -1 firepower. I don't know. Okay, so bishops can move orthogonally. It's... How many bishops do we have? I think we have a lot of bishops. Maybe not then. Maybe I'll just take Disturbing Spectacle. Okay, yeah, it's synergized with all of my minus speed. With my whole speed reduction strategy. Alright, let's just reload in place. Yeah, I get so many shots. Like 10 turns of nobody being able to do anything. 13 turns plus another 2 for pieces that get injured during all of that. Like, yeah, this seems really good. Okay, I want to get a Queen Soul. I want to use my Ermine Belt. Let's shoot the Rook. Alright, now I want a Queen Soul. I No, I don't want a bishop soul. I want a queen soul. It's turn 26 and nothing has moved yet. Okay then. Card might be a little buggy. Fool's Curse, Fool's... Oh, these are different Fool's Curses. Okay. Huh. So... I guess... Disturbing Spectacle, like, forces me to take a Fool's Curse afterward? Huh. Well, I don't like that. Okay, castle or throne room? Hmm. Oh, this doesn't give the +1 health anymore, so I think it's probably fine. Alright. Do I care about losing range? Not really, because pieces are still really slow. Do I care about charging -1 shell? Well, yeah, kinda. -6 ammo max. So that's 2 extra turns of me having to regenerate ammo. So this costs me 2 turns. And this this costs me a lot more than 2 turns. So I'm gonna take Fool's Curse. They're both Fool's Curse. Whatever, I'm gonna take the -6 ammo max. It's like, okay. Yeah, I'm not like, oh, I can't benefit from my +2 ammo regen if I can only regenerate, if I can't regenerate 3 ammo. Okay, well. So arguably this wasn't a great choice, but still pieces are very slow. We should be fine. I made a mistake. Okay, we get the double regen value there. Alright. So it's turn 20, and yeah, I don't know what's up with... Yeah, it's fine. The card just seems to be buggy. That's fine. Alright, hopefully I can get a Queen Soul soon. Although, I don't think I need anything for the rest of the run if none of the pieces can get a turn, ever. That seems to be what's going on here. Oh, I'm not getting the Ermine Belt value on any of my turns, been moving up and down. Alright. Ooh, +1 firepower. Excuse me. Yeah, so firepower damage to a non-king target. I do 8 damage, so I can use that to one-shot anything that's not a rook or a queen. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna one-shot this bishop. And that's gonna make this square safe. Alright. Like, I guess I'm gonna play through the rest of the run, but this is kind of weird that, like, nothing's happening. No, I don't want... Okay, so... I guess Fool's Curse, both of these Fool's Curses are just guaranteed to show up until you take them. Once you get Disturbing Spectacle, I guess. Whatever. I mean, nothing matters because none of these pieces can do anything. let's just get rid of this bishop so I don't have to worry about discover checking. Alright. Oh, these pieces actually seem to have turns now. Like their turn counter isn't just filling the entire screen. Alright, finally. Yeah, unfortunately it's not a free win anymore. Okay, would I rather have a rook soul or a bishop soul? I think I'd rather have a bishop soul. Okay, so the pieces are still very slow. Huh. None of these pieces are moving, though. I don't know what's going on. Eh. Okay, let's just walk up and... Okay, I mean, I guess I'll just keep firing until something happens. I want a queen soul just in case I actually need it in the future. It's gonna be hard to kill the queen because the king is kind of protecting her. Alright, you got 4 health left. Alright, let's use a soul card. I'm gonna aim like this. You have 2 health left. Alright. Yeah, more damage. And I did want to avoid taking the second Fool's Curse, and now we can one-shot anything. We can one-shot rooks, we can one-shot queens. Everything is great. Let's get rid of this bishop. I still like being able to just shoot wherever I want and not have to worry about discover checks. Alright. Okay, we don't get the Ermine Belt regen, but that's fine. What a strange run. I'm gonna have to look at the mod after this run and see what is wrong with the cards involved. Or if there's just a bug where if a piece's speed stat, well, okay, so this bishop, yeah, it's definitely a bug with Disturbing Spectacle. I'll just have to look at Disturbing Spectacle and see if there's like an easy way to fix it. Alright, well, King has 70 health. Whatever, who cares? Okay. Oh, if there's no space on the back row, Conscription can't actually spawn anything, and any other reinforcement cards can't spawn anything. Oh, pieces are actually playing the game now. Oh, man. Okay, once I kill this... Yeah, this pawn is going to get a turn. Okay, you know what? Let's just... Wait, no. What am I doing? What's the chance that I just kill this pawn and get discovered checked? I'm going to aim as low as possible to make sure that it doesn't happen. Okay. Well, I think I'll use my delete key on the 9 health rook. On the full health, not injured rook. Alright. Okay, the queen can't really get to me. So that's cool. Alright. If I move... Yeah, I want to be on the edge of the board as much as possible to get extra firepower. Alright. Well... Yeah. Not a whole lot to say here. Alright, so that is a bug that I will submit. Thanks for everyone who watched the whole thing. There wasn't a whole lot interesting going on at the end. But yeah, I still had fun. Thanks for watching, and we'll probably continue next time with the Father Garcia. So I looked at this shotgun in-game, and it doesn't tell you that it has... You start with 2 soul slots, and you have gradual absolution automatically with this. So you don't actually have 2 firepower. You have 4, and then when you kill a piece, it goes down, and you got to use the soul. So that'll be interesting. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.